These eggs have just been taken out of the fridge. They're still cold. Come on. Zoom in for fun. Zoom out for fun. No music overlay, no fast forward. I'm pumping her up to 4, okay? We're going at 4. That's where we'll be putting the eggs in. I'm gonna get a hunk of butter. That's a hunk of butter. That's not too bad. We've seen worse. Just a nice slick, okay? We want to get a nice sizzle of the butter. We're going for a sizzle today. I think we're ready. Let's put the butter in. Now we're not going to touch the butter. Don't put the eggs in until the butter stops sizzling. Recording? Go. Is that cool? That's pretty cool. I'm going to pump up the heat now to 6. Starting to get a little toasty on the sides. Eggs are still sliding. Oh, they're getting nice and toasty here. Oh, they're almost done. Whoa! I think these eggs are done. No special effects. Look at that. Nice and toasty. We don't want any gray on the bottom of these eggs. Let's see. Oh, look how beautiful that is. You know, I've never been big on fried eggs, but I'm catching on. I don't know why I just never have. Let's get a piece of this crunchy egg. That's pretty. This was just to show you that you can use butter without the eggs turning gray. Ooh. You know what I'm going to say? Thanks for watching. I'll dry her off. And we're going to warm her on the stove